Well, good morning, everyone. I'm going to make some quick little pickles for my husband, and I was going to chit chat about something that I think is very important, and that is confidence. And I post all these strange things, I know I do, as far as the bat wings and the wrinkles and the turkey neck, but I wanted to explain to you that I'm going to be slicing up little baby cucumbers. I have the little pack that comes for $1.99. So I'm going to do that and talk. Shocker. Anyway, confidence. So I followed a woman on Instagram who was in her 30s. And she had the modified duodenal switch at Roller Weight Loss in Arkansas back in 2021. Right when I was first thinking about I needed to have something done. So no local surgeons that I knew of did that procedure. So I found one finally that did, and I had my procedure done, the beginning of my procedure, because I was refused at first because of my health, it's a whole nother story. It will go back to confidence, I promise. I'm still slicing. Anyway, she is who inspired me. So over the course of the last 3 years, I've watched I watch her videos. I watch a lot of people's videos, and I learn from them. So I'm hoping to do the same for someone else. So I'm not saying everyone run out and have a modified duodenal switch. That's not what this is about. One of the things she said, and she's only 39 now. She's beautiful. She's 115 pounds now. She was 384 pounds. She was only 5 feet tall, I think. She has 4 beautiful children. But she always said that when she was heavy, she didn't have any confidence. And she didn't get her confidence until she was now. So I didn't feel that. She said she hid in rooms. She's like would hide in the corners and not want to come out and not do things and not see people and not be public until she lost her weight and felt better about herself. I would be lying if I said I don't feel better this size. And I know I am no longer stressed by the things that stressed me before, as far as will I fit in that MRI machine. I can clearly remember going on a dolphin, swimming with the dolphins, and will they have a life jacket big enough for me? And they didn't. I had to get some kind of Mongo Johnny one. So I guess where I'm going with this is, I was a girl who was very much social. And you guys that know me on my Facebook page that grew up with me and all my adult life, waitressed with me, partied with me, went out with me. No, I was never afraid of much, except for the guy that I used to be married to. That's a whole other story. Anyway, confidence-wise though, I had tons of confidence. As a little girl, I was always heavier. No, I was never the girl that any man was going to carry over the threshold. I was always a bigger girl, and I knew that. I always my friend Diane and I discussed our weight loss when we worked at the Menor House, when we were, I was probably this size, and I thought, oh my God, I gotta lose weight because I'm so big. Well, we got a lot bigger. Confidence was never something I lacked. And so now getting on here and doing this for you, yes, this is from the girls and the boys, is easy for me because I want to be able to share my story and hope that I help one person out there. That's red onions and cucumbers. This isn't a recipe. I'm sorry, Robin, I don't like recipes. The old time cooks just cooked from what they liked. That's how I've always cooked. So Dave likes sugar. I'm not sugar, he doesn't like sugar. I'm sprinkling some sugar. I'm getting my salt. So when I post the bat wings, not a lot of salt because he likes a lot of salt, but he's not supposed to have it. When I post the bat wings or the turkey neck or any of that, this totally is not for some vinegar. That's not what it's not for. It's not for you to feel sorry for me, because honestly, guys, I am who I am. I always have been who I am, and I've never lacked the confidence. I'm just showing you that at 61 years old, 2 years old, 62 I am, I'm just going to embrace life the way it is and hope that something in my content, the pickles are done, helps you. I don't know how, but that girl helped me learn about a surgery that I would have never known about. Now her whole page is selling things. I don't want to ever be that girl. I don't want to sit here and sell you items. So we're going to do a leggings one pretty soon. I did skincare because you asked for it ahead of time, but I haven't talked about the leggings. I have a couple pair. I can tell you the easy version. I hate every pair of leggings that ever existed. For real. I just hate them. Yeah, my garbage can lid is back here. Beautiful to look at. So let's not lose confidence in who we are, because when you do that, it's sad. It's sad. You don't have to. God put us here the way we are. I was just too heavy. I was on 5-6 blood pressure pills. I was a diabetic, sleep apnea. I was on everything. So like, I've been sleeping with my sleep apnea machine because it feels better on my back to have air blowing in my face. I think that was just what helped me get through being on my back from my double mastectomy. But I don't have sleep apnea anymore. I don't have high blood pressure anymore. I don't have high cholesterol anymore. I don't have diabetes anymore. I have lost weight. I do have bat wings. I do have, you should see my thighs. We haven't even done that video because it'll just clear out a parking lot. But carry yourself well. As big as I was, no one will ever say I was sloppy fat. I always dressed for what I had. I covered my stuff. I didn't let my flubber hang out. I wasn't wearing the fat girl in the bikini thing. I just was Lori. And I love people. I always have loved people. I've gone out and danced and sang and was the life of the party sometimes. And yeah, no, I never lacked confidence. And I think that happened when I was a kid. My parents instilled confidence in me. And I only hope my gift is to instill confidence in my children and grandchildren, and maybe you. Show off your bat wings, show off your turkey neck, and enjoy your life, because we're only here for a split second, and we might as well make the most of every day. Don't hide. Don't hide. Get out there and do your thing, because it's worth it. Have a great day, you guys.